post-game press conference. We have here Coach Ronald Cafort and Aliyah Malaluan of the PLDT High School Hitters who won in straight sets against the Cherry Pico Crossovers. Coach, congratulations on this win, a more dominant victory for PLDT sa game na to. Can you talk about lang din yung paggamit mo sa mga bench players and especially kay Aliyah na nag-step up talaga sa game na to in her first game?
Yun yung goal going to this game na i-prioritize yung health ng players. Like yun nga, si Lakim, si Kiana, actually kahit si Sab, pinagbihis lang. Pero ang mas naging goal ay yun nga, pangalagaan yung sa kanila, saka magbigay ulit ng opportunity sa mga second unit. So at least yung isa sa mga naging reinforcement namin, yung matagal na namin inaantay. So nakapag-perfect.
Thank you, Coach. And best player of the game, Aliyah, with 11 points and 13 excellent digs. Personally, what can you say about how you made your debut here in the PBL?
Sobrang grateful po ako with this opportunity because syempre, I've been with the team for a few months na and this experience has been like my stepping stone para magkaroon pa ako ng connection with the team kasi syempre, I need to like have that gel sa kanila lang.
Thank you. The floor is open.
Aliyah, yung pagpasok sa inyo late first set ng deliver ng ano. Can you take us through lang yung naging mindset? Wala lang, ito yung baby mo talaga sa pro.
Sobrang mixed emotions ako kasi I'm excited and nervous at the same time. So sinabi ko na ng sarili ko, sige, paluin ko na bahala. Ayun, ito yung natake.
Coach, kayo, anong masasabi sa naging debut ni Aliyah?
Debut, matagal na namin naantay. Matagal na antay na excited kami para sa kanya. Kasi yun nga, kinuha naman namin siya dahil alam namin mag-fit sa system. So hopefully, pag nakompleto kami ulit plus siya, mas magiging maganda yung takbo ng team.
Yun nga po, Coach, wala akong masyadong pahinga and parang hindi rin po siguro nalubos pa yung celebrations in 4 days. So parang gano'n, paano niya siguro pin each of players yung pag-shift agad ng focus na after nyo mag-champion ng Sunday, meron pa nga pong trabaho mo, kailangan tapusin.
Yun yung pinakamahirap kasi hindi lang sa players na feel yung pagod eh. Pero yun nga yung word, trabaho to eh. So regardless, kailangan namin mag-switch dun sa mode na kapag kailangan trabahuhin, ibigay na lang talaga yung best kesa maka-feel pa kami ng ganong negative. Pero yun nga, sa totoo lang, kita nyo rin naman kanina, hirap na talagang gumalaw both sides eh, kahit si Cherry. Iba talaga yung pagod. So happy kami na kahit paano na-iraos namin.
And for Aliyah, after getting drafted, you had that national team stint briefly. So did that make you, I guess, readier for your PLDT and PBL debut? What were your takeaways from that?
Siyempre po, kasi doon naman sa training with Alas, may corrections din na tinatama. So that training din, kapag nag-training there, syempre training din with PLDT. So kung ano yung tinuturo sa akin ng correction, syempre tatry ko din i-apply yun sa PLDT kasi I know it could help me then in the long run.
And yun nga, you had an extended wait. How did you keep yourself ready lang in terms of integrating with the team, learning the system, and the entire process of acquainting yourself to being a pro player?
Syempre, while training naman with Alas, syempre napunta din naman ako sa training ng PLDT. Then, going there, syempre I need to observe everything na solid din ako kunyari sa viewing nila, the like. So, ayun, inaaral ko yung mga tinuturo and I always make sure na kung ano yung sinasabi ni Coach, ma-observe ko lang lahat.
Again, to Aliyah, given nga naman sabi niya na you have this national team experience, is there still any jitters for you in your first game here sa PBL?
Of course, kasi first time playing with PLDT, sabi ko nga kanina, wala ba't ako kinakabahan? I already experienced it internationally. So yeah, sobrang happy na lang din ako kasi nairaas ko.
Coach, no Kiana, no Kim, no Sabi din. Pero kumbaga ganito pa rin yung type of win ng PLDT. What does this say lang, Coach? Kumbaga about yung depth na rin ng team na kumbaga ganito yung napapakita niya.
Mahirap gawing basis eh kasi yun nga, nabanggit nga kanina na pagod na talaga eh. Siguro yun lang, happy lang talaga at proud na nag-perform yung hindi ganong nagamit ng finals. So at least, yun nga, with Job, Keisha, and Elia nga, nakapag-perform. Si Jency rin pala, ganda rin yung game.
Coach, next game niyo will be against Signal. Siguro paano lang makakatulong yung ganito kalalim nga na roster for PLDT, especially after nga sunod-sunod po talaga yung games?
Ito lang naman din yung timeline. Itong Thursday talaga yung pinakamahirap since 4 days lang. Ang usapan, dapat complete na kami by Saturday. So, at least ma-full line at nakaulit lang.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you po.
Congrats on the win.
Practice kayo.